everyone, this is Bonnie from Eastern Tech. Today I will going to show you this is cost samples from our customers and our verified documents. Now let's go to see our new machines. Let's go. This is our new models EWA065 automatic flat pin cables, double side cutting, stripping and clipping machine. Machine will equip with the safety cover, the ball screw driving to make sure the high precision gripping occurs. The gripping mode is customized according to the customer's terminal samples. This is 10 pins cable from our customer and the finished product. Welcome to contact us for more details.